So what trays do I use when we're growing our microgreens? Let's talk about it. So what trays do I like to use when we're growing our microgreens? Well, the number one trays that we like to use are from BOOTSTRAP Farmer. Shout out to BOOTSTRAP Farmer right here. These are probably the most durable trays you can ever buy. So freaking flexible. I mean, bloody hell, look at this. This is the trays with the holes. This is the bottom tray with no holes. You plant your greens. You do bottom water from under here. And it's perfect. You can toss these things around. They're not going to break on you. Perfect. They're a little bit more on the expensive side, but well worth the investment, okay? The other trays that you can use, those are 10 by 20 trays. But the other trays you can use, if you want to go smaller, you got 10 by 10s, also with holes, without holes, also BOOTSTRAP Farmer. There is a link below, so you could click on that link and buy some of those trays if you'd like. But they're so durable. If you wanted to go smaller scale, these are 10 by 10s. And then if you don't want to start out like that, we also have some trays available that you can get at your local, maybe hydroponic store or something like that. And these are also 10 by 20 trays. These are just cheap plastic trays. They do last for a while, but they break probably after about 10 grows, especially because we grow pea shoots and sunflowers inside of them. So eventually over time, they just get brittle and they break, fall apart. They're not really that great, but they're good for a temporary thing, and they're cheap. They're cheap to do. But look at this, see? This one's already got a little crack in it right here. But I highly recommend, if you want to grow at a large quantity, to use the BOOTSTRAP Farmer trays because of the durability, the flexibility. You can still buy the trays with no holes and tray with holes, and you put your growing medium inside of there, and then when they come out of germination, the roots are going to be penetrating from the bottom, and you water down below there, and it's beautiful. It's so easy, and they will last forever. So we have, like I said, we have a link down below. You can check it out. Click on that link and it'll take you to BOOTSTRAP Farmer, and you can order some of those trays. But that's what we recommend. Have a good one.